Let's make minimal techno. Let's set the tempo to somewhat around 126 BPM, and start with a short kick from my sample pack. And some percussion. After 8 bars, let's add some claps. Some open hi-hats. And some closed hi-hats. After another 8 bars, let's add some crashes. And some rides. Let's also create a fill using the same claps we used. I'll add some reverb and some delay to them. If you want to get these drums, they're from my sample pack, the House Maniac. It has more than 200 high-quality samples including kicks, claps, bass shots, bass loops, synths and more. Plus there are also 10 MIDI chord progressions. The pack is affordable and delivers the best sounds to make your songs great. If you can get the pack, I'll highly appreciate it and will be a huge support. The link's in the description. Moving on to the bass, let's use this deep bass from my Serum sample pack. And yes, they also work on the new Serum 2 update. Let's side chain this to the kick using a limiter. Make the bass mono. Add some low-end compression. And some EQ. Now we need some atmospheric pads. I'll side chain this. And add some EQ to take off the lows. Now let's make a groovy and repetitive lead melody. I'll side chain this. Add some EQ. And some auto panning. I'll create a cutoff filter to this. And open it up like this. Then we need some plucks. Now we need some ARPs at the second half of the drop. Let's use the same chord progression as the pads, and use the arpeggiator function to create a nice ARP pattern. I'll EQ this to take off the lows. Create a cutoff filter. And I'll use Alter Boy to automate the format of the sound. Then some pads for tension. Guys, if you want to get my Serum presets pack, there's a link in the description. The pack contains more than 100 presets of acids, bases, leads, plucks, pads, and stabs. The presets are super high quality and fit to almost all techno genres, and make your work faster and easier. If you're interested in these presets, definitely check it out. The link's in the description. As for the ear candy, let's use this soft impact. And this crackling noise. Since the drop is now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the kick, the lead, and the crackle. And after 8 bars, add the bass, the pads, and the hi-hats. Let's also create a volume automation to the pads. Moving on to the build-up, I'll add the plucks and the percussion, and add some risers and downlifters. I'll also use this clap as a fill before the drop hits. Now let's duplicate this, and change some elements in the second half to make the track less repetitive. So guys, our track is now done. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.